I'm Ed Grout. I'm a local artist and co-founder of the Looking Glass Art Project.
And I'm Tom Ferraro, and I too am an Erie-based artist, and I am co-founder with Ed of the Looking Glass Art Project.
The Looking Glass Art Project, what we'd like to do is collaborative work. We've been doing a lot of murals in the area, working with populations close to where the murals are going to be installed.
Well, the project started really with a conversation about getting some art into the new space that are the offices at Ben Franklin in Knowledge Park. So we thought, instead of just, having some work that hangs on the wall, that we really would take the looking glass approach and try to hear the stories of both the folks at Ben Franklin and some of their clients.
So we did some interviews, and we did some questioning with the folks that work here at Ben Franklin, and we looked at the space, and we decided that we really wanted to collaborate with the folks that have benefited by Ben Franklin.
Yeah, so as we looked at results of our interviews, we found commonality between the interviews with Ben Franklin and the interviews with the clients. And words kind of became important and became the common theme.
And then, of course, Ben Franklin's known well for his experiments with kites. And that became one of our areas of how are we going to express these words, how are we going to put them on the wall. And we came up with this idea of cascading kites throughout the wall piece. Acoustic Sheep was one of the companies that was benefited by Ben Franklin. And while we were there, we saw what they could do technically. And we wanted to always, Tom and I have always been thinking about doing a piece that involves interaction rather than just a mural or a static piece. We wanted something that could actually be activated by people viewing the piece. And Acoustic Sheep gave us that opportunity, really. And it was great working with them, but they had the expertise that we didn't have to actually bring that about. I think we're really excited about working in the future with entrepreneurs and people in the tech industry, because we really saw the possibility where this could go visually.